Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, remote engine start, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, bucket seats. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.